State which of the following situations are possible and give an example of each of these. These are example questions we will tell you. An object with a constant acceleration but with zero velocity. Huh? Why not possible? This question I gave in the examination. Shreya? Soch rahi. Think and tell. An object with constant acceleration but with zero velocity. Constant acceleration but zero velocity. It is somewhere on the board only. Exactly. The ball which is thrown above. Second చెప్పండి. An object moving with an acceleration but with uniform speed. ये जो बताएगा ना, that she is my best student. Sure. Excellent. Super. That is Shreya. Correct. Circular motion. Uniform circular motion. Acceleration is what? Variable. Object moving with an acceleration. This is having acceleration. Acceleration is there. What is that acceleration known as? ये भी थोड़ा बोल दो, और खुश हो जाओगे. What is that acceleration known as? The name given to that acceleration. In circular motion, what is that acceleration known as? Acceleration అడుగుతూ మీరు వెలాసిటీ గురించి మాట్లాడతారు ఎందుకండి? What is the name of the acceleration? It is a type of acceleration. सोचो, you have मेरा आधा मन जीत लिया तुमने, श्रेया, आधा मन जीत लिया. बस ये और बोलोगे तो मैं पूरा my full heart happy with you. Perfect, really. I will give you a hint also. Uniform circular motion only. The uniform circular motion only. That acceleration has one name given. Open your in your notes. In your notes it is available. Not brought, huh? ठीक है. ये याद है? ये याद है? आगे. That's it. I want that. Yeah. ये याद आ गया. बस वो मैं सुनना चाहता हूँ. बहुत खुश. I am very happy. I will be the most happy. మీరు అసలు చదవట్లేదు, అది పాయింట్. తనకు గుర్తొచ్చింది. She gave the perfect example. Uniform circular motion. Acceleration is there, but velocity is varying. It varies only in case of circular motion.
Omega.
Yes, omega. And next, yes, correct. Omega के बाद आने वाला यही है. Very good. Come back, come. आ गए, बहुत पास आ गए.
That was there we wrote in the exam.
It is called dash acceleration. Yes, you wrote in the examination, na? Good. It is called as dash type of acceleration. वो सीधे शुरू होता है.
Constant.
C. Second word also I given. E. आगे. Sharan is coming near.
Centripetal.
Exactly. Centripetal acceleration. So आधा मन दे दिया आधा 50% given to Sharon, 50% given to Shreya. But I like Shreya first. Why? Because striking of uniform circular motion immediately fan is very great. This I gave hint. That I didn't give hint, but she told. I liked it. I like it. Really. So it should idea should strike in that much fast seconds. That is most important. మీరు చదవాలండి షారా. ఓకే అండ్ అప్లికేషన్ కూడా పెంచాలి, మైండ్ అప్లికేషన్ పెంచాలి. యూ షుడ్ సీ ఫిజిక్స్ ఇన్ ద థింగ్స్ విచ్ ఈస్ వర్కింగ్ అరౌండ్. సీ హియర్ ఫ్యాన్ ఈస్ వర్కింగ్, యూ షుడ్ అప్లై ఫిజిక్స్ హియర్. ఓకే ఆ థర్డ్ వన్, సీ an object moving in a certain direction with an acceleration in the perpendicular direction. An object moving in certain direction, कोई भी direction, with an acceleration in the perpendicular direction. Acceleration in perpendicular direction. Acceleration in perpendicular direction. Shreya, what is that? I want. ఇప్పుడు బాడీ మోషన్ ఇలా ఉంటే, బాడీ ఈజ్ మూవింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ మీన్స్ యాక్సలరేషన్ విల్ బి దిస్ సైడ్. వాట్ ఇస్ ఆన్సర్? ఏంటండి? ఓకే, then I will do the last problem after this. Acceleration is in perpendicular direction. Acceleration is in perpendicular direction. If this given means really outstanding performance. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఒక డైరెక్షన్ వెళ్తుందండి, వెలాసిటీ డైరెక్షన్ ఇది ఉంటే యాక్సలరేషన్ డైరెక్షన్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది. ఫ్రీ ఫాల్. Free fall acceleration is in direction of free fall. అలా అండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లా బాడీ ఇటువైపు మూవ్ అవుతుంది అనుకోండి, ఇటువైపు కానీ ఉంటుంది యాక్సలరేషన్. ఇప్పుడు బాడీ ఇట్లా మూవ్ అవుతుంది అనుకోండి, ఇటువైపు ఉంటుంది యాక్సలరేషన్. 90 డిగ్రీ ఉంటుంది, దీన్నే పర్పెండిక్యులర్ అంటారు. తెలుసు కదండి. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ శ్రేయ? Guess.
Yes.
Hmm.
That bob and that thing which goes in oscillatory motion. It goes to an extent and comes to this point.
Okay, that is partial example, not complete example. I want complete 100% example. That should be the best example ever. The answer is again somewhere here. और उसका एग्जाम्पल यही है. उतना दूर भी देखने की जरूरत नहीं, पास में ही. वो स्टेबल है. What? See, that is a stand, stable. This is stand, stable. Don't say those things. अजीब लगेगा. क्या? Oscillations. Oscillations is only that she told. Pendulum is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Which you have studied also.
Circular motion.
Huh?
Circular motion.
Correct? Is it correct?
I don't know.
Correct?
I don't know.
Correct answer.
Oh.
Uniform circular motion. What happens in uniform circular motion? This is the object rotating. Then what happens is always the force tries to bring the object to the center. That is called force. I draw the diagram. Here the alpha. Centripetal acceleration is acting towards the body. Therefore, the acceleration direction is towards this side, and the velocity is tangential to the body.
Diagram.
I draw. The velocity is tangential. Velocity and acceleration are 90 degrees. So, the answer is uniform circular motion. ఒకటి మోషన్ అండి, ఒకటి మోషన్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ మోషన్. In kinematics and kinetics, you will have more number of type 3 questions. Again, you will have those type of questions in electricity and electrostatics, electronics. These two are the only sections where you will get lot of questions like this to answer. See, this is really, I didn't expect this type of question was there in the textbook, but see, type 3 question is there. So this type of question you should answer. Okay, last question kodam. 10th question. An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 kilometers. Calculate its speed if it takes 24 hours to revolve around the earth. So radius ఇచ్చారు, dia ఇచ్చారు, radius ఇచ్చారు. So for the 10th problem, the radius is given 42,250 kilometers. But the time taken is 24 hours. It is taking to rotate, which is 24 into 60 hours kada. Minutes lo convert cheyasi. Minutes, seconds lo. You need answer in kilometer per hour. Okay, then let's leave it like this. Okay, that we will get in kilometer per hour. So one revolution, it is taking 24 hours. That's what light. So what is the speed? It is asked to calculate the speed of it. So speed is equal to distance traveled by time. So what is the distance? Circumference by time. What is circumference? 2 pi r by time t. What is 2 pi r? 2 into pi into 42,250 by time. Time is 24 hours. Okay. So you will give what is pi? 22 by 7 लिखोगे, लिखना है. Whatever it is, whatever you want to write, you can write. 20 by 7 into 40,250 divided by 12. 6. This will become 3. This will become, इसका आधा करो, 21, 1, 25. 3, 3, 6, 6, 5, 11. 7. Sorry, 21, this 7, it will go. 3 is 21, 0, 12, 1, 55. Divisibility rules. So do this, you will get the answer, whatever kilometer per hour. कर दो मोबाइल में कर लो, और किसी में भी कर लो. 7 3 are 21. 21 से डिवाइड करो, आंसर आ. डू इट. ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేసి డివైడ్ చేసేయండి, you get the answer. 21125 into 11 divided by 21. One one zero six five.
47 and 5 రాసేసి.
Okay, kilometer per hour. This is the speed.
Textbook వెనకాల చూడండి.
Answer. I feel they give in kilometer per second. Why? Because the radius, this space na, whatever the space speeds are there, kilometer per second they use. Kilometer per second they are. Per second means divide by 3600. 11,006.47 divided by 3600. 1 hour में 3000 seconds are there. You will get it. Do it. get 3 point చేయండి ఆ వాల్యూ ఉంది కదా ఇందాక డివైడ్ బై 3600 కొట్టండి అప్రాక్స్ ఆన్సర్స్ యూ నీడ్ టు గివ్ నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్
3.07.
that is the answer that is the back answer 3.07 so over this is the end of the our class for today so I need some work to be done today.